Good morning, guys. Today is the 14th of February, so happy Valentine's Day. This is Mr. Wong here. Long time no see. So, as announced by the EDB yesterday, I think we're going to meet in mid-March. Yeah, the earliest should be 17th of March. And in fact, because after I returned from Japan, I've been staying home for like 3 weeks now, and I'm very bored. And how about you? Are you bored at home? So I hope you're still learning online. So I've been figuring out how to use my iPad to teach, to record online lessons. So this is our first online lesson. Welcome to the first online lesson. So please take out live in your notebook. We'll look at Unit 6. We'll look at page 69 today. All right. So first, let's look at the title, Unit 6, Alternative Travel. So what does it mean, alternative? First of all, what is the part of speech? You can look at the title, Alternative Travel, and then you look at the picture. So what is this? It says it is a hotel in Quebec, Canada. So Canada. So where is it? North America. So you can see everything is made of ice. Right. So what is the meaning of alternative? Can you guess? First of all, part of speech, right? So adjective should be an adjective, right? But it can also be a noun. Alternative travel. Okay. So maybe we'll go to Google Maps and we'll take a look at the hotel first. All right. So let's see. Let's go to Hotel de Glace. Where is it? Okay. Wow. You can look at the price. It's quite expensive. $2,116 for a night. Okay. When you look at some pictures. Okay. So let's take a look. Okay. Maybe this is this the entrance? This looks like the entrance, right? Everything is made of ice. Let's take a look. Okay. You can see the beds. The table, okay, everything is ice. Oh, you can have a bar here, right? Course light. Okay, you can imagine sitting on these chairs, right? You can. What is this in the middle? What is this one in the middle? Is it a window or is it a fridge? Do we need a fridge there? Okay, I think that's pretty much it. This is the corridor, right? Okay. Let's return to our book then. Okay, so what does it mean, alternative travel? Let's look at the dictionary entry. Alternative. Okay, so it can be a noun, can be an adjective. Let's look at the adjective first. Okay, an alternative plan or method is one that you can use if you do not want to use another one. But I think it sounds more like the second one. Okay, let's look at the second one here. Describes things that are considered to be unusual and which often have a small but enthusiastic group of people support them. For example, alternative comedy. So I think this one looks more like our definition, right? So alternative should be something unusual. So can you highlight the word? This will be number one. Alternative travel, something unusual. All right. Okay, let's get to question one. Look at the photo. What do you think there is to do in this hotel? Would you like to stay here? Why or why not? So do you want to stay in this hotel? For me, no, I don't want to stay there because it would be too cold for me. Because I catch a cold easily. I don't know about you, but I do. So I avoid cold places. Okay. So think about the reason why not you want to stay there. And then we'll skip number 2. Let's look at question number 3 now. So choose the correct option, then ask each other the question. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So please do the questions by yourself first. All right, and then you pause the video and do the questions. And then after you've finished all the questions, come back and play the video. Okay, we'll check the answers. Okay, so now please pause the video and do the questions. All right. All right, guys, have you done the questions? Can we check the answers now? Okay, the first one, how much holiday or days off do you get from work each year? So what is the difference, holiday and days off? Let's look at the grammar. of this question. How much? So remember, much is for uncountable nouns, right? So which one is uncountable here? Days off, it must be countable. So we cross this out. It should be holiday, because holiday can be uncountable and countable. Okay, so this one should be holiday. Okay, question 2. Do you like to stay in hotels, or do you prefer self-catering or self-service accommodation? First of all, highlight the word accommodation. We have come across this word before. What does it mean? Accommodation, can you guess? We have hotels here. So something about hotels, right? So let's take a look. Accommodation. Sorry, accommodation should be here. Okay, a place to live, work, or stay, etc. For example, there's a shortage of cheap accommodation. Okay, a place to stay, live, or work. So remember, it's uncountable, so don't add an S here. So how about the plural form? Accommodations is about a place to stay. This one is countable. All right. So let's go back to the book. So which one should it be? Accommodation. This will be number 2. Oh, sorry. And we have 2 more words. So self-catering and self-service. Number 3, self-catering. Number 4, self-service. So can you guess the meanings of these words? Self-catering. So catering is something about food, right? So let's take a look. Self-catering. Okay, here it is. Having a kitchen so that you can cook meals for yourself. Okay, so in a self-catering apartment or hotel room, you can cook for yourself. Okay, and how about self-service? Self-service. Okay, not being served by an employee but collecting goods or food yourself. For example, self-service salad bar. You used to have these at Pizza Hut, but we don't have it anymore now, right? Do we? Because when I was small, my father would take us to Pizza Hut, and I would be very happy because I could get as much salad as I could. Okay, when I was small, but now we don't have that anymore. Okay, and the second example, self-service petrol or gas pumps. Okay, so you add the gas by yourself, something like that. Okay, so which one should it be? When do you usually ask for? So, sorry, number 2, this one. Which one should it be? I think it should be self-catering, right? Accommodation. You can cook by yourself. And number 3, when you book into a hotel, do you usually ask for a room with a sight or view? This one, what is the difference between sight and view? So view is something you can look at, right? But sight here, it refers to something different. Okay, this is number 5, sight. Let's take a look. Sight, other than the ability to see, it can mean something else. All right, so let's see. Should be this definition. Something that is in someone's view. Okay, so let's take a look. I think it's the second one. Places of interest, especially to visitors. Okay, so a place you can visit. So it should be this definition. So here it should be view. The answer should be view. Okay, next one, number 4. Do you generally take a lot of suitcase luggage when you travel, or do you prefer to travel light? This one again, about grammar, right? Suitcase, countable. Luggage, uncountable. So the answer should be luggage, right? Number 5, what is your favorite kind of scenery? Countryside, the coast, forest, mountains, or desert. Countryside refers to the natural places, right? Rivers, mountains, hills, right? But so it should be scenery. And remember, scenery is, please highlight the word scenery. This should be number 6. It is also uncountable. All right, scenery. So don't say sceneries. That would be wrong. Okay, number 6. Do you generally enjoy the travel or journey as much as actually getting there? I think this one is obvious, right? I think actually getting there is much better than just looking at the site on Google Maps, right? Or on pictures. Okay, do you generally enjoy the travel or journey? So this one should be journey. Okay. And then 7, which airline do you prefer to fly with? I think the key here is the preposition with, fly with. So you fly on a plane, someone might say fly in a plane, but fly with, so it should refer to the flight company. Right? So this one should be airline, the flight company. And then 8, when you last went on holiday, how long did it take last to get to your destination? So what should this one be? Let me think. Destination, okay. Destination, what is that? Please highlight the word destination. Let's look at the definition then. Should be a place, right? Destination. The place where someone is going or where something is being sent or taken. So should be destination. The explanation is obvious. Okay, so let's go back. Cool. So which one should it be? Take or last? Okay, I want you to think of this statement. Okay, for example, for me, it took me 4 hours to fly from Hong Kong to Japan. Okay, so look at the sentence structure. It took me some time to do something. All right, so the sentence pattern should be like this. So this one, how long did it take? Right? Okay. So, but how should we use the verb last then? Yeah. Okay, when you think of this example, for example, the journey, or let's say the movie lasted, and then brackets, for 2 hours. Because after last, we can use for, or I can just leave it. Okay, so lasted 2 hours or lasted for 2 hours, both are correct. All right, that's it for this lesson. So we'll look at page 70 later. And I know for E, we have come across these 2 pages already. But if you want a revision, you can still watch these videos. Okay, so I'll give you more updates on E-class. So see you guys later. Remember, when you have to go out, remember to wear a mask to protect yourself and the others. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Goodbye, class. Bye bye.